Cape sleeve waterfall dresses bring drama and grace to wedding aisles, perfect for mothers of the bride. Soft layers cascade like a stream, while floating capes add movement and photograph well. These dresses balance coverage and elegance, giving confidence without sacrificing style. If you enjoy fashion tips and guides, please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to My Day, My Choice, where we help you shine on the days that matter most. Let's start with the basics. A waterfall dress has layered ruffles or panels that flow downward like water, creating soft lines and movement. Cape sleeves are shoulder overlays that drape like a small cape, giving coverage without bulk. Together they frame the arms, soften the waist, and add drama. This mix is ideal for mothers who want elegance, comfort, and confidence during long ceremonies and joyful receptions. Feels effortless. Choosing the right fabric makes all the difference. Chiffon floats and moves with every step, while crepe gives a smooth, tailored look. Jersey adds stretch for easy wear. 4 colors, soft neutrals like champagne, dove gray, and blush look timeless beside bridal whites. Jewel tones like navy, emerald, and burgundy flatter many skin tones and photos well too. Metallic accents or beaded trims can add sparkle without stealing the spotlight. Fit is key. The waterfall effect should skim your shape, not cling, and the cape should land near the elbow for graceful movement. If you prefer more structure, look for a defined waist or gentle A-line skirt. V-neck and bateau necklines elongate the neck nicely. High-low hems show shoes while keeping coverage. Always test seated comfort, arm lift, and twirl potential, because weddings are long, loving, and filled with hugs. styling completes the look. Choose low to mid heels for steady steps on grass, stone, or dance floors. Nude, metallic, or color-matched shoes blend smoothly under the waterfall hem. Add a small clutch, delicate drop earrings, and a narrow bracelet to keep attention near your smile. A brooch can anchor the cape and add sparkle. Keep hair polished but soft, so the cape drapes cleanly without catching or bunching. Test everything together. You are ready to choose a cape sleeve waterfall dress that moves beautifully and feels comfortable from vows to last dance. Wear it with confidence, smile, and enjoy every hug. Comment below with your color picks and questions, and tell us what style you want next on My Day My Choice. Amazon affiliate links are listed in the description below.